This is Mr. Elmhorst with the math lesson on creating box plots and finding IQR. IQR is going to represent interquartile range. So the box plot is a new representation that is going to summarize data that is collected in order to analyze and interpret the data set. Analyzing and interpreting. So once you summarize the data, you're going to have 5 points. Or you can just put the number 5 in there. Summary. It's going to be a 5-point summary of the data set. After the box plot is created, the summary will not show. Once you have the summary, you cannot find the mean. You can't find the average because you don't have all the data points anymore. And you also don't know what the mode is. It's only the summary. So to create a box plot, we're going to need 5 points. Here's the 2 easy ones, the minimum and the maximum. And that is always going to be the lowest or the least of the data set and the greatest of the data set. And then the median. So we got the minimum, maximum, median. So it's going to connect to what we've been working out already. The other 2 points is going to be called the upper median and the lower median. The upper middle and the lower middle. And that piece of information is going to be used to make the box of the box plot. And this is called the interquartile range. Another way to look at it is the inside range. You have the outside range, which is all your range, and you're going to have the inside range. So we're going to use most of the skills that we've done already. First thing, organize your data from least to greatest. Look at your data set. What is the lowest test score? 55. And what is the greatest test score? 95. So we're going to identify those on the left side and the right side. You might have to write a little smaller. And going back to the 55, what's next? 60. And then 65. 75. There's 2 of them. Got 80, 80. 3 85s. I think I am writing too big. I'm going to run out of space. 85, 85, 85, 90, and 95. So if you organize your data, you always want to double check, make sure you got all the data points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Excellent. So we're going to identify the 2 first things. What is your minimum number? 5. Maximum number? 94. And now the median. We're going to go left, right, least, greatest, least, greatest, least, greatest. And we get to the last 2 in the middle. There's 2 left over. So 80 plus 80 divided by 2. 80 is your median. So that line that we've been putting in the middle, now use that line to separate the left side of your data, put a box around it, and a box around the right side. So with the box plot, after you separate your data into two sections, now you're going to go to the left side, and then you're going to find the middle of the lower half of your data. Left, right, left, right, middle. So there's 6 numbers on the left. What is the split between 65 and 75? 70. And we go to the right side, left, right, middle. And 85 and 85 is going to be your median. Now we have our 5-point summary. Go down below. The first point is going to be at 55. The second point is at 70. The third point is at 80, 85, 95. So first, you're going to put a line through the median, the lower median, the upper median, and then we're going to box the middle 2 quarters of your data set. After you put a box around the middle 2 quarters of your data, then we put a straight line out to the maximum and the minimum. These used to be called whiskers. They called it a box and whisker plot, but now they just shortened it to the box plot. So the last part that we're going to look at is the IQR. The interquartile range is your box. You don't have to shade that in. I'm just going to shade it in for emphasis. The box is going to be the middle part of your data set, and we subtract 85, the upper quartile, minus 70, and that is the range of just the box. So what is the range of the center of the data? 15. And then you may be asked to find the range of all of your data. So the range of all your data is 40, and then we can use that information to interpret how spread out is the data. The middle of the data is pretty close together, and the high and low number are spread out quite far. And down below, instead of a data set, we can also do a box plot by looking at a dot plot or a stem and leaf plot. What's the minimum? 0. So we can put a 0 down below. What's the maximum? 10. Now we circle going in, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Work your way to the median, 2 dots at a time. So it looks like the median is at 4. On the left side of the data and the right side of the data, we need to find the median of the lower half and the upper half. So it looks like the data split was right here. So left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like my calculations are off a little here. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Okay, so it's still there. So the median is at 4. So then we got left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. It's going to be at 2. And then we go on the right side, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and 7. Put a line through the median, the lower quarter, the upper quarter, put a box around it, Then we draw